Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys. Today I will show you how to make a drop down list in Excel. Suppose um, let's see B C D. Suppose in our option we will have three options B C D. Then we have to write this list in another sheet. Okay, um, wherever you like, no problem, but I will prefer another sheet to the main sheet. Hmm. Now I would like to make the drop down list here. Okay, so I will select this cell, then go to data, then go to data validation, then go to data validation. Okay, then validation criteria. Here I will select list. Okay, then I will select source. Then I will go to the sheet where uh, I have saved my sources, source data. Okay, now I will select the range, then hit enter. Okay, then if you would like to show any special message, then you can write here. Okay, I would like to hmm, write here exposure, uh, please select exposure type, exposure category from the list. Okay, then okay, here you can see that a drop down list has been created, that is B, that is C, that is D. So I hope that you will be able to do it, okay, now, from now. So let's try yourself. Thank you for watching. Assalamu alaikum.